Osmo's Math Wizard and the Magical Workshop for iPad and Fire Tablet is the perfect blend of adventure and education for kids aged 6 to 8. Imagine your child brewing potions with a wizard cat, helping dragons soar with math. This is not just any game, it's a hands-on math journey that transforms your little ones into a math wizard. In the box, a treasure trove awaits. From a double-sided mixing mat to counting cubes and spellbook, each piece brings numbers to life. Plus, it's all anchored by the game app that guides your child through learning addition and subtraction in the most enchanting way. For reference, the Osmo Base and an iPad or Fire tablet are required for play and are sold separately. My favorite part, though, is that Wi-Fi is not required. Designed for first and second graders, the Osmo Math Wizard game allows for adjustable difficulty, making sure it grows with your child's abilities. My 5.5-year-old can't get enough of exploring Wyverndale, mastering number bonds and potions, and learning place value in drag and drop. It's been a game changer for his love of math, and I highly recommend it.